Hi everyone, I am Priyanka. Currently, I am pursuing Masters of Business Analytics from Ratan Tata Maharashtra State Skills University. Recently, I started my OJT at KPMG as a part of my course. My life at this university was a mix of intense learning and personal growth. But through it all, I understood the importance of gaining not just the theoretical knowledge but also the practical skills. Each and every topic taught us by our professors were practical oriented, and we learned it through real case business scenarios. Apart from academic, we got many opportunities to showcase our talents. The transition from RTMSSU to KPMG was both exciting and nerve-wracking. RTMSSU had been a place where I was surrounded by familiar faces, a set of schedule, and a predictable routine. But as I stepped into my OJT, everything felt new. Suddenly, I was no longer just a student, I was a part of a team, contributing to actual projects, working with professionals who had years of experience. The first few weeks were especially challenging. I had to quickly adapt to a new environment. But with the support of my mentors and colleagues, I gradually started gaining confidence. As I reflect on this journey, I realized that the transition is not just about gaining technical expertise or building a resume. It's about evolving as a professional and an individual, becoming more adaptable, resourceful, and resilient. It's about understanding that learning doesn't stop once you graduate. In fact, it's only the beginning. To everyone who is about to start their journey at RTMSSU, I would say, embrace the challenges, stay curious, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. I am very grateful to RTMSSU and our Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Apurva Palkar for providing me this opportunity to learn and excel in my career. Thank you.